Choosing the perfect fit for your eyeglasses is crucial for comfort and stability. If you already have a pair of glasses, check the inside of the temples. You'll find numbers like 50, 22, 145. The first number, 50, is the lens diameter, which defines the size. If the diameter is around 50, your size should be small. From 51 to 53 should be medium, and above 53 large. The second number, 22, is the bridge width, and the third number, 145, is the temple length. If you don't have glasses, no worries. Take a credit card. Place it with the short side down, aligning one end to the center of your nose. If the card extends beyond your eye, you are a size S. If it covers almost perfectly, you are a size M. And if it doesn't cover completely, you are a size L. It's simple. In just a few minutes, you can find the perfect fit for your glasses at unbeatable prices on MrShadesShop.com.